Today's keys are the... While researching and brainstorming design ideas, this one instantly came to mind. For the design, I decided to recreate the meme of the two hands holding the numbers. I started by 3D modeling the hands in a simple cartoon style. I added a cube and gave it some edge loops and adjusted the vertices to form the shape of a palm. Then I extruded the faces to create the fingers, always checking the reference images to get a more accurate look. After that, I added a subdivision modifier to smooth out everything. I made small adjustments to the fingers to make it look like it's holding something. Once that was done, I modeled the other hand, scaled them both down, and positioned the numbers 6, 7 into place. Finally, I added some color and positioned the key, and hit render. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.